Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video it is time to share with you the long-awaited cat polishes by Holo Taco. These came out, I think it's like over a month ago already, and I purchased them right away when they got out, or at least when they were launched. They were $13 each. You can get them together for 26 bucks, so you don't get any additional discount or something like that if you do decide to get them in like a little combi pack or combo pack. So yeah, I have to say I really love the boxes. If you actually put the two boxes together, you can actually see the outlines of a cat. I totally forgot to record that part, but I guess a lot of people have already shown you that, because I am a little late with doing my own swatches. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really love you guys to do so, and just to welcome you all to my little nail family here at YouTube. But back to the video. When I purchased the cat polishes, I also got the set of 3 nail files. I'm not really sure how much I paid for the set, but they did get like a little discounted once you get all 3 of them. And I already had one of the files, which was actually the blue purple one, so I've got a double one from that. So I might actually give that away in a giveaway or something like that. Once I have reached my 30,000 subscribers, I'm planning on doing another giveaway. So yeah, I might put my double blue purple glass file in that as well, just as a little extra. But back to the polishes, because I am going to swatch them on my own natural nails. First up we have Mini the Cat and Xyler the Cat as well. Of course, the 2 cats by Christine and Ben from Simply Nailogical. But first it was time for me to remove my old polish, which was one by, let me think, I think it was one by Sally Hansen from the Insta Dry collection. And of course, to make sure that the polishes adhere quite nicely, I'm going to add the smoothing base coat to my nails first. I chose to do so off camera because otherwise this video would be more of like a nail polish of the week video. I know you guys love these, but I am maybe planning on doing a separate nail polish of the week video on one of these 2 polishes in the future. So if you would like to see me do a super in-depth like swatch application to all 5 nails of one hand video, let me know in the comments down below. But first up I'm showing you here is called Mini the Cat, and it's just a really cute, girly, super holographic, light pink glittery polish. One thing I have to mention is that first of all, I am a big fan of Holo Taco and I pretty much like almost all of their polishes. Like, I've been quite like really honest and a little brutal as well about the white polish that they have, as well as the black. Those definitely are not my favorites, like when it comes to white and black polishes. There are way better and way more like inexpensive brands out there that have better polishes like that. But when it comes to like their flakies, their glitters and so on, I pretty much love the brand. I really like the way it applies. The only thing is, if I compare this pink one to the orange one that I will swatch in a little bit, it is a little more sparse. There isn't a lot of like colored pigmented base in this polish. So yeah, that is something that I didn't really like about it. Also, I feel like I already have like a couple of polishes in my collection that are a little similar and actually more opaque than that one. But the second one, of course, is called Xyler the Cat. I love this one. It's orange. You guys know me if you've been following me for a longer period of time. I am actually Dutch. A lot of people don't know that. A lot of you might be like getting the hints of my YouTube name, which actually has the NL at the end. So yeah, a lot of you do know that I'm Dutch. A lot of you don't know that I'm Dutch either. So just for the record, I love my orange tones because I'm hella Dutch. But this color actually contains some more like colored like pigment in the base, I'd say. Of course, it isn't a creamy polish or anything like that, but I would say the base is like a jelly orangey kind of substance, so it is still quite sheer on the first coat, but because there's a little bit more color in here, I feel like it builds up quite nicely within 2 to 3 coats. And of course, if I compare it to the pink Menchie the Cat color again, it is a lot more pigmented. And yeah, I do think that you can get a similar effect with the light pink color if you would just like not stamp it on, but like dab it on with like a makeup sponge or anything like that. But yeah, to be honest, I have to be fair, I really love the orange color the most from these two. But yeah, nonetheless, both are really cute. So yeah, if you're more into the light pinks and you don't mind adding 3 to even 4 coats to get it completely opaque, or to just sponge it on or something like that, be my guest, go for that one. Both are the same price, so it isn't like the one is more expensive than the other, so you don't have to like be worried about that at all. But this is the first coat of both colors already, and let's continue with the second one. Of course, I'm going to apply the second layer of Menchie the Cat once more. I'm going to add 3 coats of each or both colors, I have to say, in this specific video. Once again, if you want to see me do a more in-depth video and apply one of these colors to more nails and just talk about it, like my opinion, stuff like that, if it isn't clear enough in this video, I have to say, just let me know in the comments down below. But you can still see, like with the second coat, the Menchie the Cat color is still sheer, or at least I can still see my natural nail, or at least like the smile line peeking through, and that is something that I don't like. I just want an even opaque coverage and just surface, and I do feel like the orange color is more like to my personal preference, let's say that. Not just because it is orange, it's just more opaque. But yeah, I don't really have that much more to say about these colors. I am of course going to add the third and final layer as well. To be honest, would I repurchase these, or would I have purchased these if I knew that they weren't as like opaque as I wanted them to? I think, to be honest, I would only go for the orange one because I just really love how opaque that one is. I am quite a nail polish collector, hoarder, enthusiast. Let's just call me a nail polish addict. I just love to collect it and just have my collection fully complete. I do think it is a cute color, that light pink Menchie the Cat one, and I still really want to try it out just by sponging it on to see how it works. But if that won't work out the way I like it, or at least if it's not as opaque as I prefer my polishes to be, I don't think I would have purchased it in the first place, because once again, I do have a couple of polishes in my collection that are quite similar, maybe a little bit of a different tone of like pink, but the orange I pretty much love. So of course it is totally up to you if you are like willing to spend $13 on a polish, or at least one bottle of polish. And of course the shipping isn't inexpensive either, especially if you are like me from Europe. You pay $30 actually to ship it out, and it does take a little while as well. It takes at least like 1.5 weeks before you get it in. Of course that could be also because of COVID going on and things that aren't back on track like the way they were like a year ago. But yeah, I'm not disappointed in these polishes because a third coat does give a decently opaque effect, especially to the orange, and the pink a little less, but I don't hate them. I think they're quite pretty. I'm glad that I got these, and I got my collection of Holo Taco polishes complete. And of course I also did order their latest collection with the multichrome polishes as well. So I hope to receive that one soon. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. I love you so much. And I hope to see you in one of my next videos.